October 14th is also the day a rape occurred. Gilberto Gonzalez has been charged with that crime. Bob Petty has the story.
The 21-year-old Chicagoan was arrested on the rape charge last December. After more than 30 days in the Cook County Jail, he was released on bond. What makes the Gonzalez case unusual is the fact that when the crime was committed, several miles from the site of his wedding reception, Gonzalez's attorney says he has an airtight alibi.
There's going to be 200 witnesses, if not more, that are willing to testify in open court as to the fact that he was there having his own wedding party. Now, it would seem to me that there's no mystery about this to the state's attorney. And it would also seem to me that it is highly unlikely that the groom's presence would go unnoticed in a situation like this.
Gonzalez has no known criminal record. As a result of his arrest, he lost his job and medical insurance, which would have covered the birth of the baby he and his wife are now expecting. Next month, the case goes to court, and attorney Mike Roman says this is one case he is certain to win if 200 witnesses for Gonzalez are called to testify and verify his alibi.
Rape and robbery has agreed to an out-of-court settlement in his civil rights suit with the city. Gilberto Gonzalez had been accused of crimes that were committed while Gonzalez was at his own wedding reception. Bob Petty joins us with the story. Bob?
Well, Joel, that settlement agreement came after the city probably took a closer look at his case and decided apparently that there was no need to take it any further. The amount of the settlement, not disclosed, but it's believed not to exceed $100,000. Gilberto Gonzalez was exonerated at every legal level. Criminal courts threw out charges of rape and robbery against him. His $2 million civil suit against 3 Chicago police officers went on for 4 years. On the witness stand, Gonzalez said his only crime was in being a good Samaritan by attempting to return a wallet he found to its owner. When he returned that wallet to her home, he was arrested and accused of raping and robbing the woman. The 24-year-old Southsider spent 32 days in jail, lost 2 jobs and his wife after being branded a rapist. 3 police officers who investigated the case were accused of maliciously keeping Gonzalez in jail because the rape victim was the daughter of a former Chicago police officer. They were charged with denying him his civil rights and failing to check his alibi. He and some 100 guests were attending his wedding reception when the rape and robbery occurred.
The money was a minor issue in terms of the actual damages that my client incurred or suffered. But the principle, especially in this country, that we marvel on the fact that a man is supposed to be innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. This man had the perfect alibi.
I feel happy now, you know, because everything is over, you know.
Gonzalez says that he has no hard feelings against members of the Chicago Police Department, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office, or anyone else. He says that all he wants to do now is to get on with his life.
In fact, the police officers never even bothered to write down Gilberto Gonzalez's alibi on the police report. And after all, those police reports are very important, vital. Oh, yeah. And they always rely on the police reports to follow through with an investigation. They omitted that important fact that he had that alibi, that he was getting married on that night.
Neither Gonzalez nor his attorney would say just how much the settlement amounted to.